Incredible result from estate. Wow, 5.7k already in deals. So this is really good for people that are looking for daily income on real estate. This is a tokenized real estate, and it is something that will give you your daily income if you wish to get started today. Right now, I just want to share my agency dashboard so you will see what I have achieved so far. Agent sales volume so far is 5.7k, and this is going to continue to grow day by day. And right here on my left hand side, you will notice that I have a profit balance of 189, and this can be withdrawn instantly. All right, so you can see the withdrawal button. If I wish to withdraw this, I will just click and withdraw this money. But that is not the point of this video. Okay, the reason why I am sharing all these figures that you are looking at is to encourage you and to motivate you to look into estate, where they are actually giving us the opportunity to purchase a fraction of tokenized property, right? And then when you do purchase a fraction of this tokenized property, you will be able to earn on a daily basis. Okay, note, you are not purchasing the whole property, you are purchasing a fraction of it. So that fraction that you are purchasing is something that is going to give you your daily returns, and those daily returns is between Mondays and Fridays. There is no Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, but the thing is, you will be able to withdraw whatever you have earned as long as it is above $1. Okay, now if you take a look at my right hand side here, you will notice profit calculator. So with the profit calculator, you will be able to calculate how much you are going to earn on a daily basis based on how much you are going to invest. Okay, for example, this is the apartment in Miami. This you can start with as little as $10. This is for people that just want to just test it and see how it works. But if you really want to put some money here and you really want to make good money, then you have to put more than $10 minimum, right? So for example, if I increase this $10 to 1,000, for example, that will give you $4 daily, which is great. Now if you don't want to purchase a fraction of the Miami apartment, you could as well just go to the next apartment, which is the one in Seattle, and start the one in Seattle with as little as $117. And once you decide to purchase this property, all you need to do is to register and of course complete your KYC and deposit the amount of money you want to use to deposit. The tokenized properties that I usually recommend is the villas one. This is the one that will give you close to $20, okay, that you will be receiving on a daily basis. As you can see from here, it is $19 on a daily basis for the villa property, and the minimum to start this one is $3,120. So it's that easy, and you will continue to receive this daily pay until you break even. So look at the calculator, is telling you when you are going to break even, and it's going to tell you how much you're going to be receiving on a monthly basis. So close to $400 on a monthly basis, which is great. So if you would like to register, the link to do so is below this video description. So you will own a fraction of the villa property or any of the properties that you decided to purchase a fraction of that property for yourself, right? So yeah, this is the reason why I am sharing this opportunity, just to let you know that there is still time for you to get into this platform and get yourself one of these tokenized properties and begin to earn on a daily basis. Otherwise, welcome to join me in my Zooms that I do organize from time to time. And wow, it's 5.7k already on my total volume sale. This platform, I just started it not quite long ago, but I am seeing a lot of improvement. I am seeing a lot of progress in this platform. So if you would like to join me to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis, you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description to do so. And I will see you in my team. Thank you and God bless.